Heyo, Dr. Nader Amer with DNA Physical Therapy. Today we're talking about the groin and inner thigh pain. Don't forget to book an appointment at dnaphysicaltherapy.com. Like and subscribe and comment below. Helps your boy out. So let's begin. 4 quick tips, stretches mainly, for groin and inner thigh pain while swimming, running, and cycling. Let's begin. First one is the high lunge stretch. One leg in front of the other, give yourself a wide base of support, posterior pelvic tilt, and sink in. I'm already feeling it in the front of my hip here, into my inner thigh. Hold here for 15 seconds. Make sure you got good balance. Sink in deeper. Keep breathing. Good. Still feeling it here. Lean back. Ooh, there you go. Squeeze those shoulder blades and switch. Wide base. I'm going to make it a little wider because I was losing my balance in the last one. Posterior pelvic tilt. Bend both legs. Feel that stretch in the front of your hip and into your thigh. And I'm feeling it on my back calf as well. Good. Repeat on both sides. 15 seconds is good. I'm going to give you a front view. One leg in the front, one leg in the back, posterior pelvic tilt, and sink in. Progression of this exercise, reaching above and across. I'm pushing in with this opposite hand and reaching and holding. Feeling that stretch in my low back, my lats, obliques, anterior hip, inner thigh. Next stretch, pigeon, number 2. Same thing, we're basically, same thing. Starting in a high plank position, hands below your shoulders, bring one leg forward, ooh boy, and bring your hips down. Feeling the stretch in the front of your hip into your inner thigh. Woo. Hold here for 15 seconds. Oh, I'm already shaking, I'm sure you guys can see. Try to keep your back straight, don't have a swimmer's hump like me. And switch. One leg back, one leg forward. Oh, this side's less tight. Sink those hips. You can bend that back leg if you want. Put it on the ground, lean forward, and feel a deeper stretch. Good. Pop back up, switch legs. I'll give you a front view. Hands here. Oh, tight quarters in Studio Nader. I'll just adapt so I can pick the camera angle. Knee is down. Feeling the stretch in the front of your hip all the way into the inner thigh. And switch. Back knee is down. Knee forward. Pull up. Hips sink down. Feel that stretch through here. Good. We're going to stay on the ground for the next one. It's the frog stretch. Hands shoulder width apart, knees wider than hip width apart for a deeper stretch. Ankles are wider than your knees. And you're just going to sit back, feel the stretch in your inner thighs. And if you're feeling a pinch in your front of your hip, posterior pelvic tilt, get a little deeper. You're gonna feel a good stretch here and in your low back. Hold here for 15 seconds. Breathe. Oh yeah, this is a good stretch. Come back up. If you got any medial knee pain, sorry Daisy. This angle, shoulder width apart, knees wider than your hips, ankles wider than your knees, and sit back. Stretch through here and in your hips and low back. If you got knee pain in the middle of your knee, this stretch may be a little too intense. Like or subscribe or comment below and I'll tell you an adaptation. Come back up. So that's the frog stretch, number 3. Number 4 is the butterfly stretch. I'm terrible at this stretch, but we all got to do it, especially us breaststrokers. I'm not a breaststroker. So, on the floor, firm surface, feet together, pull your feet in, and just let the weight of your legs pull, and you should start beginning to feel a stretch in your inner thighs here. Get a deeper stretch, keep your back straight, lean forward, use your elbows, push your calves down, and hold for 15 seconds. Good. So this is a great stretch to do, and stretches to do before swimming, cycling, running, especially if you're having hip, groin pain. I prescribe these exercises and stretches to them as warm-ups. Obviously do a dynamic warm-up before you do this, and we'll have a successful training session swimming, cycling, or triathlons, or running. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and book an appointment at dnaphysicaltherapy.com. Thanks.